Hi everyone, welcome to our new session, Marg Digital Healthcare. Today we are going to discuss about the very new, very latest feature launched in the Marg ERP, which is known as Marg Digital Healthcare Solution. Now we will understand how this feature is going to help you, or we can say how this feature is going to help chemists who are using Marg ERP, as well as the customer who are approaching our chemist. First of all, let me introduce with the topics we're going to cover today, which is introduction, problem, purpose, benefit, important insights, chemist registration, and we will see the practical type screen by screen. I will show you the step by step process. Now, first of all, we need to understand what is this product, how Marg Healthcare is working right now, and how this is going to generate more revenue for the chemist, and how we are going to contribute into the new digital India, you can say the schemes where we are putting more and more efforts to keeping everything digital. We are trying to make pharmacy more accessible to remote areas where people cannot visit doctors, they cannot visit healthcare centers. So they can directly use this feature and connect with the world class doctors, and they can have some discussion over that platform, and they can get the solution for their health, whatever health issues they're facing right now. And it is all done by just one simple QR code scan. The one QR code will give the all vital updates of the patient health, and this is not any gimmick or some just like feature. It is a very important and FDA approved process where you will get the important health updates. Now, what exactly problems we are facing right now in the market is pharmacies in the market are having very limited healthcare access. So, not all the pharmacies. We have some pharmacies who have some limited healthcare accesses, but not all. So most of the pharmacies, they don't have any access to the healthcare solutions. Earning is totally dependent on medicine. So whatever revenue the chemist is generated by selling the medicines only. So we are looking on it, and we are trying to develop it in such a case that our chemist will also generate revenue from multiple sources. Customer retention is a big challenge for the chemist. So this is also an important role play what Marg is playing right now, and we are going to resolve this issue. There is a too much of manual offline processes going everywhere, and it is a very slow process. We are going to fasten up by doing it digitally. Lack of easy access to medical experts. So as I said before, in remote areas and in some places, it is not easy for their local people to visit, to the experts, or you can say the medical experts, and which makes it is quite which makes it a little difficult for everyone to manage. But with the help of this feature, we're going to solve this. No quick screening of no there is no such vital checkup. Any other application or software or a feature is available right now in the market. We are the first one who has introduced this. By scanning your face, we can take the vital updates of your health. No digital medical records for the customer. So now, after using this feature, you will have the digital update, and you will have the digital data for your health records, which means in future, whenever you require it, you will see that this feature is going to be available everywhere. If we talk about purpose, what is the purpose of bringing this feature into the Mark software is to get connected with the customer. So we are running more than 1,50,000 chemists on our software, and what we see is we can do a big thing. We can play a big role in developing India, and in, contributing between in the digital part. Now we are trying to connect all the chemists with the health hub, which makes them affordable, accessible, and it is all digital, and with the minimum bare cost to the you can say the end users. So we are trying to enhance the public healthcare accessibility. We are trying to increase the pharmacy revenue. We are trying to strengthen customer trust and engagement with the local chemist, which means retention is the prime what we are looking for. Support in the India's health mission, where we are going to put more and more features in upcoming days, which means this is the very first phase where we are putting few features, but in coming phases we are going to make it big. If we talk about benefit for the chemist is the additional earning, business opportunity, higher customer retention rate, enhancing brand value, no extra infrastructure is required, which means it is totally a digital solution, which means whatever software they are using right now, they will enable the feature on the same software, nothing extra needed to pay. And this is one which is the fastest delivery. No one need to visit chemist or like going to the doctor place, hospitals, or they don't need to stand in the line for their chance. So now by sitting at your home only, you can have all these accessible features in your mobile phone. Benefit for the customer or the patient is the instant access to the doctor consultations, quick digital health checkup without a long wait time, convenient service via simple QR code scan, downloadable prescription and report times, which means all the prescriptions and report you will receive on WhatsApp and you can easily download it. Affordable because we are taking the very bare minimum charge, which means it is very accessible to everyone near you. Important insights before we enable this feature, we need to make sure we are maintaining all these things, which means the latest version of Marg ERP, wallet activation, Marg Pay registration, and ERP to ERP chemist registration. This is the basic requirement. Now let's go with the practical time where I will show you the chemist setup, doctor connection, prescription download, vitalist check, vital reports, and QR code printing, and my preferred doctor. What is all this feature? I will going to tell you right now. First of all, the chemist setup, which means we have to start updating the software and doing the right things, enabling the feature, which means the vault activation, the mark pay registration, and the ERP to ERP chemist registration. By doing this, the next step is to enable the services from the wallet services. We'll go to the services part and we will see the new tab on the top, which is the digital health. Click on that and enable these two features, 1RX and the Vitalist, which means 1RX is for doctor consultation and Vitalist is for the face scan, QR face scan. With that face scan, you can get the health reports. By clicking on these checkbox, we will submit, and after submitting this, now we will go to the sale bill, and by putting some random information, you can put the patient information. You will see there is a earn button highlighting in the bottom. Click on that and then you will see this earning screen where you have to select the 1RX, which means we are doing the doctor consultations first, which means after doing so you can have the same feature here also. If you want to use that feature, you can go to digital, then healthcare QR, and you will see the 1RX feature or vitalist or thyrocare. You will see this option as well as the preferred doctor feature, which means you can add your own interest doctor, and you can ask your customer to book these doctors for the consultation. Now, as soon as you click on 1RX, you will see this screen. On this screen, you have to put your patient name, mobile number, age, gender, pin code, and remark, means fever, cold, whatever problem they are facing, and then submit. After submitting, it will show you the message that your wallet will be deducted 85 rupees. And if you don't have the wallet balance, then it will uh, ask you to recharge the wallet first. So anyhow, this money is going to deduct from your wallet. So make sure you have the money in the wallet to use this feature. As soon as you click on OK, then it will create generate a scan link, which means it will go to your mobile number, WhatsApp number, what you have shared in the form. You will see that mobile number will receive this notification, and you will have one link to click and join the meeting. Means you can see. So you can click on connect with doctor and you can connect with the doctor in next 15 minutes on this screen, and you can have your query. Whatever query you have, you can ask. They will suggest you the medicine as well as they will share you the prescription on your WhatsApp, same number. Like you can see, you can join the meeting, then after meeting you will receive the prescription which shows on the left like download prescription. You can download the prescription from here. So remember, your prescription will go to the doctor, the chemist, as well as to you also. So this is what a prescription looks like. You can see on your screen. Now, if we talk about Vitalis, this is all about doctor consultation and booking and how you get a prescription and you can take the medicine after that. Now, we will talk about Vitalis, which is the QR code scan, which means the same form. You have to fill the forms, click on submit, and you will receive this message that this amount will be deducted from your wallet. If there is no wallet balance, it will ask you to recharge. If there is a balance, it will just show you the successful message that the link is generated, and it will go to your WhatsApp number. Now now you'll go to your WhatsApp and you can see the scan your face button showing right now. Click on this button, you will see the screen on your mobile phone. This is from the Careplex. And now you have to make sure few things, that there is a proper light, there is nothing disturbing the background, which means moving objects or darkness, this should not be there. And third thing is no mask, no goggles. Make sure that you are not wearing any masks, goggles, or chunni or dupatta on your face, so that it is, creating problem. After that, you can also make sure that the temperature, that all the things, your body temperature you facing right now, is the one problem you're facing right now. So for that reason, you have to make sure no expression changes. You have to look on the camera, steady, or you can say this still. And for it, this is going to take 1 minute time to complete this test. Once this test is complete, it will ask you to fill this form. In the second picture, you can see that what is your gender, what is your age, and your height and weight. After that, you will receive the report on your WhatsApp, same WhatsApp number before you get the link. So once you see the WhatsApp, you can click on get the record report. This is what report looks like, where it shows your body blood pressure, respiration role, oxygen saturation, heart rate, BMI. So you can see here all the important informations. Now, if you go to digital services, you will see the report also. Whatever orders you have done, whatever orders you have booked, or it is booked by the customer directly, you will see all the records here. Now, the next thing is how customer is going to scan this QR code at their home. So this is not your trouble, not problem. Mark has done it from our side only. Now, every chemist will see this QR code printing on their bills, which means customer can scan this QR code later also. Not, it is not mandatory to scan in front of chemist only, but they can scan and book, or you can say book slot for their themselves or some others, anytime, anywhere. Now we'll come to the my preferred doctor option, where you can see that this is a window where you can add your own preferred doctor. If you want to add, you can fill the basic information and submit. Once it is done, it will say successfully added doctor. Now you can simply use this software. So you have seen all the features of the software. You can utilize it, utilize this. You can have the benefit of this software, and in case you have any problem, our team is always available. You can just call to Mark. Uh, you can go to markcompusoft.com and you will find the solutions. So this is all for today. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you have any doubt, any confusion, you can connect with the customer care team. They can resolve your issues, and please use this feature. This feature is not a gimmick, it is a revenue generation feature, and it is best for the chemist right now to earn more money, and this is the future. Thank you so much for joining the session. Bye bye. Take care. Thank you.